Astagfirullahaladzim. Halo, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hai, kembali lagi ke YouTube channelku Aulia Fitradini. Nah, sesuai dengan judulnya, di video kali ini kita akan membuat DIY Valentine atau Birthday Treats ideas yang pastinya gampang banget dan seperti yang kalian di sini nih contohnya. Ini super gemes, super lucu dan cara buatnya super gampang. Oke, so without further ado, let's get started.
I thought that we had something special. I thought I handled this so well. I know we had the right intentions, but somehow it came to an end. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push it back, hold you close, start a fight. There you go. I get unstable. I get unstable in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable. I get unstable. Remember the first time I met you, the way that it had made me feel. But later something changed between us, and now I don't know where we meet. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. I was looking for a remedy. Now I better who's in front of me. Yeah. Push it back, hold you close, start a fight. There you go. I get unstable. I get unstable in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. I push you back, I hold you close. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable. I get unstable. Push you back, hold you close. Start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable in my bed all alone. Never know when you home. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. I get unstable. Push you back, hold you close, start a fight, there you go. I get unstable. I get unstable.
Dance around your feet until the beat start again. Oh, and then do it the same. Magnetized, you feel a big appeal, flying high. Oh, just like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell it like it is, 'cause I need to know you were playing with fire. Can't you see? You better take it easy, let it go, 'cause you should've known better. You should've known better. Heading for the street, into the heat of the night. Yeah, alright, do it again. You should have seen it come. You acted numb, don't deny. You are like a moth to the flame. When you get that feeling, they can be deceiving. Tell
I want the most in my life. They say you're out of my league, but I don't give a damn. No, deep down I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. Oh, you wanna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? If I could make you see it, baby, would be something to make the starlight jealous up above. Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Sometimes you think about all the ways I'm making you smile. I know I am what you need, and boy, you're just my type. Deep down, I know you want it. You wanna take a leap and jump in. We're gonna fall in love. You get me spinning, wouldn't it be awesome if you just kiss me slowly and had me in your arms? Oh, you make me up, hey, lights go out when I see you moving up, hey, light me up. I love when you go like that. Oh, hey, could be us, kissing in the moonlight. Hey, I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. I'm just saying, if I was your girlfriend. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on. Everybody else got it going on.
Nah, gimana videonya? Gampang banget kan buatnya? Semoga di video kali ini bisa menjadi inspirasi kalian untuk birthday treats atau Valentine gift. Yes, I know pasti beberapa dari kalian ada yang bilang, but it's okay, it's still February, right? So it's still full month of love, and for me, kasih sayang itu nggak harus ada di bulan Februari aja. So you can make it and give it to anyone wherever you want. Nah, dikarenakan ini adalah video keduaku untuk series masak-masak, baking-baking, dan sweet treats. Kalau misalnya kalian suka sama video-video seperti ini, kalian klik thumbs up di bawah dong supaya aku tahu kalau kalian suka sama video seperti ini. Nah, kalau misalnya kalian juga mempunyai resepi sendiri masak-masak yang mau kalian share ke aku, bisa share di bawah, komen di bawah resepinya tuh apa. Nanti biar bisa aku coba deh di next video. Alright, so let's end this. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share to your friends who need it. Bye bye. Assalamualaikum.